Hey, it's Chris, and this video is about noun pronouns. In basic sentences with a verb, sometimes the verb action needs to be performed in relation to someone or something. That is a receiver. For example, I ate cake, or the cake was eaten by me. In Tagalog, noun pronouns are the set of pronouns used for receivers like by me or by that. For personal pronouns like me, you, or them, we have the following. Me is ko, you, mo, him or her, niya, we excluding the listener, namin, we including the listener, natin, you plural, ninyo, and them, nila. For demonstrative pronouns like here or there, we have the following. It or this, nito, that, niyan, that far away, noon, these, ng mga ito, those, ng mga yan, and those over there, ng mga yon. Here are some examples of how noun pronouns are used. The word was said by him. Sinabi niya ang salita. The cake was eaten by me. Kinain ko ang cake. And the song was written by it. Sinulat nito ang awit. And those are noun pronouns. If you learned something and want to learn more, please like, comment, and subscribe for more Tagalog videos. Thank you.